Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Jeff Teague, Toyota Jeff Reviews. Thanks for hitting subscribe. Let's see how we pimped out this 2023 Toyota Tacoma SR5. And the part that might interest you is that most of the options I'm going to show you, most of the features, the accessories, the systems, the kits, were added at the dealership level. Yes, you see my shadow. I'm filming in the morning. It's happening. So this is something that you could accessorize, customize, make it your own right at your local dealership. Like, for example, you can add leather seats. You can add heated seats. This is genuine cat skin leather, very comfortable, very durable, should hold up for the long haul, but it should make for a nice, comfortable road trip for you. Cat skin. And then inside, you can see the buttons for the heated seats that were added right next to the little dump bin there. Probably the big one here, we've got tire upgrade and a lift kit. So let's take a look a little closer here. We've got the BF Goodrich KO2 all-terrain tires. These are LT 285 75 R16. We've got the metallic gray 16-inch alloys. And then when we talk about the lift, this is a TRD lift. So here's what we got going on. Let's get under here, do this vlogging style. We've got these TRD tuned Bilstein shocks. That was in the front. Let's look at the back. Very cool. At the dealership level, we've also got Predator Pro step bars. Easy way to get on up into your Taco. We've also got window tinting that was added to it, again at the dealership level. This next one I get asked about quite often. How do you get the Toyota Grille? Well, this is one way to do it. It's a nice change from the chunky horizontal bars. Although they look nice on the SR5, you want to show off it's a Toyota, right? Well, this could be a way to do it. Here's a list of what was added at Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh. We can go over the window sticker at the end of the video if you want to learn a little bit more about it. So those were the upgrades that were added to this base SR5 4x4 double cab. My Tacoma. Well, let's take a little closer look and we'll learn about performance, what's standard, and then we'll look at the upgrades one more time. I wish I was taller so I could easily lift this up, but I was born with what I was born with. All right, this is the 3.5 liter V6 engine, produces 278 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque. It's also matched with a 6-speed automatic transmission. There are ways to upgrade a Toyota Tacoma to LED package, LED lights, LED fog lights, but they are not standard on SR5, just so you know. But traditionally, it's the black, horizontal, I don't know, about an inch thick bars that go across there. We've got a nice big black bumper here. Ground clearance is 9.4 inches, and this has traditional Toyota safety sets. So let's get on in here and check out the profile of Tacoma. Of course, it's classic, it's tough, we know it's rugged, it's stately. This is the best-selling mid-sized truck, and it has been for so long that it's hard to remember when it stopped being number one. 21.1 gallon fuel tank, 18 in the city, 22 on the highway, 20 combined. Of course, we've got that upgrade there. Normally it comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, SR5 badging here. It does have push-button start, which is nice. It's also got the auto lock and unlock there. And then it's got the turn signal indicators. This one has the upgrade of blind spot monitor along with rear cross traffic alert. So it can show you and alert you when you're backing up if there's a car coming in the way. This particular configuration has 6,400 pound tow capacity. The highest you could go is 6,800 pounds, so it's real close there. Get your boats, trailers, and campers ready. All right, we've got this integrated backup camera right here. Nice, slow lowering. I think that'll be helpful. Composite bed, of course, that's been carried over to Tundra. Why would you not want it to scratch and ding and dent? Prevention. That's what we want. Scratch, ding, dent, prevention. Right here. We're crazy. And of course, we've got Tacoma right in the bed there. Hitch, hookups, and I see you there. Got the spare tire going on down below. They got one thing in common. They got the fire down below. All right, we've got hooks, tie downs. Got the deck rail system, that's nice, so that we can see all up in there. And then here we've got, come on, come on, no, come on, come on, come on. Got storage there. It's not in the other side, but we do have one storage bin. Hey, looky here, we've got under seat storage. Who doesn't want more storage in their truck, right? So we've got all that going on. Can lock it right up. You lock it up. No, you lock it up. And if you want, I'll do it on this side. You can actually make a floor so you can stack all the way up, and you can do that to this side too. Whoop, down it goes, up you stack. Here's our storage for passengers. We've got this much room here. I'm 5'8". Then we've got this much room here for leg room. You can make the seats go forward and backward, of course, in the front. The leather actually makes it very comfortable, although the SR5 seats aren't bad either, just traditionally. So yeah, I've got handle right here, got cup holders here, ready to go. I guess this would just be a feature that's nice to have. Not necessarily even a feature, but the child latches are nice and easily marked. Now, yeah, in a truck you'd like to have an armrest here, but that's not there. We've got cup holders though, so that kind of makes up for not having the cup holders there. We have pockets here, nice deep pockets. Hello, where'd my hand go? Then we've got this right here, and then the view from the back. Let's get inside here so we can talk about some features. We've got lumbar support, 8-way power adjustable seat. We've got 2 auto windows here. That's good. One touch, ba-boom, ba-boom. Mirror adjustments. Then we've got some bottle holders here, a little bit of storage, leather wrapped steering wheel. Certainly nice. Oh, it's so nice. Then we've got a 4.2-inch information display. This has not been upgraded yet to Toyota Audio Multimedia. The next generation, I'm sure, will be. It has wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Digital, dual temperature controls. See, the blind spot monitor's been added down right there. We've got the push button start and also the selector that can go from 2-wheel to 4-wheel, so that's always nice. Storage bin, maybe a phone holder, a cup holder. And then we've got, ooh, got some USBs in there. That's very nice. Auto dimming rear view mirror. Got us a sunglass holder, safety connect, lights. And then we've got one microphone here. On Toyota Audio Multimedia, you'll see 2 microphones, driver and passenger side. And then we've got this right here with the sliding function as well. So how do you like the interior? Plain. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Highway to the danger zone. Go ahead and take a look at the window sticker here. SR5 4x4 double cab, super white. This is made in the Mexico plant. Safety ratings, fuel mileage. This is going to be standard equipment and features. So I'll just hold this camera back so you can take a look at it, stop the video, learn a little more. This starts at $36,700 for the 4x4 double cab. Has the technology package, blind spot, rear cross traffic for $570. Get it delivered there. And then we've got the Toyo Guard, all-weather floor mats, $39,648. And for the upgrades, let's see, leather seats, $14.99, heated seats, $629. And then for the lift kit, the Pro Grille, the Predator bars, and the tires, $6,900. Thanks everyone so much for watching. What do you think of Tacoma, the SR5, and these upgrades? Leave a comment, let me know what you think. I'd love to know your thoughts, opinions, and comments. All right, woo! I'm at 2 different channels. We've got Auto Jeff Reviews and Toyota Jeff Reviews. I'd love it if you hit subscribe and went to the Auto Jeff Reviews right there. Appreciate you all. I'm on Instagram and TikTok also at Auto Jeff Reviews and Toyota Jeff Reviews. See you on the flip side.